We'll guide you through how to find a Calendly discount code with the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in Calendly discount code 2026. This should bring up the most recent websites offering potential discounts or promo codes. Look for reputable sites like RetailMinute or coupons.com, as they often have verified codes. Another great method is to visit the official Calendly website and scroll to the bottom of the homepage. Here, you may find a section dedicated to promotions or offers. You can also sign up for their newsletter, where they sometimes share exclusive discount codes. If you're already a subscriber, check your email inbox for any promotional emails from Calendly. Additionally, consider following Calendly on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Companies frequently announce special deals or limited time offers on their social media pages. While you're on these sites, check for any pinned posts or recent updates that might mention a discount. Remember, sometimes a simple Google search with the right keywords like Calendly promo code 2026 can lead you to a blog or article with valid codes. By staying on top of these methods, you can maximize your chances of finding a working discount code for Calendly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.